In this video, we'll go over how to make and receive calls directly through my Halloo. To make an outbound call, find the Live Interactions panel in my Halloo. Make sure that the Use VoIP option is checked in order to use your device's built-in microphone and speaker for active calls. Click on the New Outbound Call button to start a new call. Next, enter a phone number, or name of a person in your contact list. Choose one of the suggestions in the menu to start the call.
Hi, this is John.
John, this is Alice. I'm so glad I reached you.
A connected call will appear as a green box in the interactions list. Click on the box itself to add notes and see more details about the ongoing call. Control buttons allow you to hold, add parties, transfer and end the live call. Click End to hang up and save to store your note. Answering an incoming call is just as easy. Make sure that your status is set to Available by choosing a valid location. This is needed even if you want to answer the call directly in your browser. You see calls to your account in the Live Interactions panel and can watch the calls progress through your auto attendant and through your hunt groups. When a call has transferred to your extension and is actively alerting you, the call will flash in red and you will hear an alert sound. Click on the headset icon to pick up the call on your computer, or the cancel icon to reject the call and send it to voicemail.
Thanks for calling BusyBiz. This is Alice. How can I help you?
Hi Alice. My name is Mary Roberts and I'm calling to check on the status of my order.
Click anywhere on the green call instance to save contact information and notes about the call. Now that you've seen how easy it is to make and receive calls, give it a try by logging into my.halloo.com. Thanks for watching.